Hey, I've got what I would call a cheap and nasty 3-wheel combination padlock. It's very cheap, it was only a couple of dollars, and this one says for added security with 3 dual resettable combination mechanism, can be used with suitcases, purses, backpacks, briefcases and more. Okay, let's see how strong this lock is. Okay, for this lock, it opens like this, and you secure something, and you close it, and it doesn't open anymore. Okay, I've secured something, and if the correct combination is not dialed in, then this doesn't open. But if it's pulled not even that hard, these can just slip out. So not very secure because I can pull it hard. And as I say, not even that hard. What happens if I pull it harder? Okay, you see it breaks right off. Okay, so this is what I mean by cheap and nasty. Thanks.